Hi guys, it's me Christian from the church. I hope you guys are having a great day and time at home. It's so exciting. This past Sunday was Easter Sunday, so that was the day Jesus raised from the dead, and that's so important because that allows us to have a relationship with Him forever and ever. So the cool thing about Jesus' resurrection is He didn't just raise from the dead and go to heaven right away. For a lot of people, seeing is believing. So how many of you guys think like, oh, when I see something that makes it easier to believe? Because a lot of times I think that way too. So it's really cool. So Jesus appeared to many people after He raised from the dead, before He went to heaven. So today we're going to be looking at the story of Jesus' disciple Thomas. Thomas is one of the apostles, which are Jesus' close friends. And so in this story, we see that he doesn't know if Jesus is really there. Is he a ghost? What's going on? So we're going to be reading from our hands-on learning Bible. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our story. And it comes from John 20. So Thomas doubts Jesus. Sunday evening, the disciples were meeting behind locked doors because they were afraid of the Jewish leaders. Suddenly, Jesus was standing there amongst them. "Peace be with you," he said. As he spoke, he showed them the wounds in his hands and his side. They were filled with joy. They saw the Lord. Again he said, "Peace be with you. As the Father has sent me, so I am sending you." Then he breathed on them and said, "Receive the Holy Spirit." One of the 12 disciples, Thomas, nicknamed the twin, was not with the others when Jesus came. They told him, "We have seen the Lord." But he replied, "I won't believe it unless I see it. The nailed wounds on his hands, put my finger into them, and place my hand into the wound in his side." 8 days later, the disciples were together again, and this time Thomas was with them. The doors were locked, but suddenly, as before, Jesus was standing amongst them. "Peace be with you," he said. And then he said to Thomas, "Put your finger here and look at my hands. Put your hand into the wound in my side. Don't be faithless any longer. Believe." "My Lord and my God," Thomas exclaimed. Then Jesus told him, "You believe because you have seen. Blessed are those who believe without seeing me." And that's our story for this week. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and we will be seeing you on Sunday.